release the carry handle, press the black button beneath the carry handle attachment. To open the bassinet breezy panels, fold the fabric flaps twice to maximize airflow and ensure they remain securely in place. For added visibility and airflow, open the Peekaboo panel on the sun canopy. For added protection or full coverage, unzip the third panel on the sun canopy. To recline the seat, grab the recline handle on the back of the seat and lift it up. When facing the parent, 3 recline positions are available to suit your child's needs: fully reclined, semi-reclined, and upright. When facing the world, 2 recline positions are available. Adjust the harness to ensure an optimal and secure fit for your child.